So it's another cold day here in North Georgia in January. Sometimes it's difficult to find things to do as far as, car shows and stuff. But every month here at Gateway Classic Cars of Atlanta, they do have their monthly Caffeine and Chrome and open house as well. So you can go inside and check out their inventory. But I want to check out the Caffeine and Chrome portion here first. Looks like they've got a Mustang Club here as part of their monthly featured car club. So let's walk around and check this place out. I absolutely love these 300Cs. These came out when I was in high school, so I guess that's where most of the fascination comes from. But these things are so beautiful. So oftentimes I'll get people complaining about, the shots, but I mean, it's difficult when cars are parked this close together to actually get in a good shot of a vehicle. So, if you're one of those crybabies, just stop. And I absolutely love these 850 BMWs. They are so beautiful. And I'm pretty sure I mentioned in a video before that when I lived down in the Florida Keys, my friend Barry had one. Man, these cars are freaking amazingly beautiful. So that's going to do it for Caffeine and Chrome here at Gateway Classic Cars of Atlanta. Not a bad turnout considering the temperatures we have now. I think it's just now breaking the freezing point. But yeah, we're going to head inside and check out their inventory. That's going to be a separate video. So come back around for that one as well. Thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. And we'll catch you around next time. Later.